Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Aurora, Naperville area. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This motel is located 15 minutes outside of downtown Aurora, Illinois and 25 minutes from Splash Country Water Park. Free in-room Wi-Fi. This Aurora Super 8 provides accommodations equipped with microwaves and refrigerators. They are furnished with a seating area and cable TV. A hair dryer and ironing facilities are provided. A grab-and-go breakfast is served every morning at the Aurora Naperville Super 8. The front desk is open 24 hours a day. Laundry services are available. The Hollywood Casino is less than 20 minutes from Super 8 Aurora, Naperville. Downtown Chicago is less than an hour from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.